You may be wondering how to add a new video on TikTok. You are new on TikTok or you just don't know how to do it. Only what you need is TikTok app, which we will now open. We click on the center plus and you see we can record some test videos straight away, and we can add the video simply by pressing next, and that is how easy it is to edit. Or we can select something from our gallery and we can choose, for example, this. It is a picture, but it's enough as an example. And we put next. You can customize it in different ways here. Apply effects, text, cut, and when you have done all that, you click next and you can edit. So if I help you, I hope I did. Don't forget like and subscribe.